Welcome to another episode of I'm Hungry. In this episode, I will be making barbecue fried chicken tacos. Okay, so while that's frying up, we're going to make the special sauce. Well, it's not really special. The sauce that you make to dip the fried chicken in for your fried chicken wrap. Alright. A little bit of ranch. Just a little bit. And hot sauce. And you mix that up. Then you want to make sure you taste it and make sure you got the right amount of everything in there. Just right. Once you're done frying your chicken strips here, we're gonna bring it up over here, and then we're gonna dip it into the sauce I made up. Ooh, hot shit. Ooh, this look like some of that hot blazing buffalo hot wings or whatever you call that. Look just like it, don't it? Look. Shit on the bomb. Yeah, pour the rest of that up on there. Look how that's looking. Man, I wish y'all could taste it right now. Y'all making, y'all see what I'm talking about. Shit is on point. Some good shit. Look at that. Okay, and now I'm gonna pop the taco shells in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Okay, got my chicken. Oh man, look at that shit. That shit is fire. Look at that. Alright, let's get to it. The chicken. Damn. Ooh, look at that. Man, I gotta get a little piece of that. Woo! Damn, Joe. Dude. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I'm up there with Hillary's. Yep. Do it the way I said do it. I'm telling you. Oh shit. Now, you don't gotta do this if you don't want to. Alright. But I put ranch on mine. You know? I just smear it, I just smother it. Not too much, but like that. On the other side. On the other one here. Alright. Then get some more barbecue sauce. Mix that up with it. You don't want to put too much of the barbecue sauce. You want to just dip a nice little amount there. And there you go. A little bit more on this side. Alright. Oh shit. Oh my god. I'm about to smash this, man. I love cheese, so put a lot of cheese up on it. Put all that cheese up on it, like, yeah. Look at all that cheese. Look at all that cheese. Look at that. Alright. You don't want to drown the cheese. I'm crazy about cheese. Then you get your lettuce. You want to have a nice amount of lettuce. Alright. Okay. And there you go. The barbecue fried chicken tacos. Bam! Yo boy could cook! Darrell. R.D.P. You mother effers! Grab the chicken that I had. Oh shit. Should have known better. I thought I could do it.